In this video, I will show you how to forward webmails in Hostinger to another webmail account. So let's get started. Once we log into Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. Next, we need to click the Manage button under the Domains section where the webmail is associated. I have only one domain added in my Hostinger account. Next, on this page, we need to enter the Manage Your Email section by clicking this button. Here, we need to click the Forwarders tab, which will bring us to the Forwarders page. On this page, we can set up 10 forward email accounts to forward the mails from this webmail account. Here, we need to click the Create Forwarder option. In this pop-up window, we need to enter the forwarder webmail account to which we want to forward the mails. I will forward to this webmail account, jack@designopage.com. Here, we have the option of saving the forwarded mails to the main webmail account. Clicking the toggle button is very important to save a copy of the forwarded mails. And that's it. We are done setting the forwarder webmail account. But you can see the forwarder is still pending. For the forwarding to work, we need to confirm the forwarding in the webmail account we entered. Once we confirm, the webmail forwarding will be active. Any mails received in this webmail account will be forwarded to the other webmail account. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.